y'all to another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around here in our golf cart looking for free plants in people's landscape debris piles. But we got to get going down the road because somebody else is out to get our plants. Who is it?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Pickup Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all of the plants if we don't get to them first. So you can see we got up pretty early this morning. We almost always have to beat those trucks. So we're gonna get going down the road and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good. All right, so turtle nesting season is over, which means that it's the season of all of the millions of dump trucks bringing sand to our beaches for the next 6 months, eh?
Yeah.
Flying down the A1A, 100 miles an hour to deliver sand to the beaches.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like turtle nesting season better.
They destroy the dunes.
Yeah, the turtles do, it's funny.
Yeah.
All right, we just came across our first find of the day. We got some ficus here, some rubber tree. Yeah, and this one is super easy to plant from cuttings. So we will definitely save a couple of these from the trash. All right, every week we come across a bike. This one actually doesn't look bad, does it?
Brakes need to be pushed down.
Oh yeah, the brakes need to be fixed.
There we go.
Does it work? Well, Teddy's stoked, he wants it. I don't know how we're gonna get that home. Maybe on top of the golf cart, I don't know. I'll hop out and help him. All right, we managed to get the bike. You can see it's up there on top of the golf cart. Hopefully it doesn't fly off while we're going down the road here. Hopefully we make it home. We kind of just started our journey.
Yeah.
I'm sure it'll be okay. All right, Teddy spotted some bridal bouquet plumeria here. There's a lot of it. Grab several of those cuttings. This is an easy one to plant from cuttings.
There's also some pinkers.
Oh, they Incas?
Yeah.
Yeah, they probably, do they have roots? If they don't have roots, I don't think we're gonna have luck with those, but we will definitely save some of this wedding bouquet plumeria for sure. All right, Teddy spotted something else. What you got, bud?
Golden Hawaiian pothos.
Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this one even has a little bit of roots on it. I think if we buried this whole stem here, it would root for us. So we will save that from the trash for sure. All right, we got a pile of Schefflera here. This is another one that is super easy to root from cuttings. Super duper easy. We've had 100% success rooting that one from cuttings. So we'll save a couple of those from the trash. The plant crushers beat us to this road. You can see they've already gotten the cans on this side, and there he is right there getting the rest of them. Ah, we didn't get up early enough, did we? No, they always beat us to that road. All right, you would think there'd be something good in this massive pile, and there actually is. Teddy and I both spotted it as we zoomed right by. Which we got? Oh, there's some gross papayas right there, but what do we have there? Oh, there's two of them. Right there, we got some, looks like some agave puffs. Some like blue agave puffs. Oh, they look good too.
There's a third.
Well, oh, awesome. We are these things are super easy to plant if they have any kind of like base at all to them. So we're definitely gonna save those from the trash. All right, we got some Clusia here, also known as the autograph plant.
Yeah.
So you can write your name in it with a fingernail or a screw or something, and it will last on the leaf until the leaf dies. But it is another easy one to plant from cuttings, so we will save that from the trash for sure. All right, we got some green coconuts here, and they're little, but I bet you they have water in them. I bet you they do. So we will, we'll definitely save some of these from this landscape debris pile here, and maybe open them up when we get back to the house and see if they do have water in them. All right, we made it back.
Yeah.
I say that every week because our golf cart is old and breaks down a lot, but I've replaced most of the parts on it, so it shouldn't be breaking down anymore. It was a cold day today, wasn't it, kiddo?
Yeah. It's really because when you're going, the wind getting pushed on your face.
Yeah. Someone had an accident in my golf cart. I won't name names, but the windshield was knocked off of the golf cart, so Now we don't.
It's all.
Yeah, now we don't have a windshield, and I have the golf cart zip tied together. But anyways, all right. Well, we got today
Really,
what?
it was our Chihuahua's fault.
Yeah, we'll blame the Chihuahua. Yeah. Yeah, I guess let's show everybody what we got here. Let me pull here. Why don't you take the camera? I'm gonna pull this down first. This is one of our prizes today.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Kind of
about
turned into, went from plant pirates to other stuff pirates today, but
It's always other stuff, pirates. You never know what you're gonna find.
luckily we have this roof rack. Or maybe unluckily, I don't know. I end up with a bunch of junk because of this roof rack. All right, here we go. First, the bike. Can you move the handlebar, Ted? It's stuck up under there.
Whoa,
It's full suspension.
It's full suspension.
killer.
Yeah, and it's
Probably an older.
21. Whoa! Oh. Whoa, look at how many speeds it has.
How many?
Look,
7.
that. And then
Huh.
this is weird.
It is odd.
I'm
Take it for a spin.
okay. We
Well,
need
it
to lower
probably
the
needs
seats.
some. Yeah.
Grease?
It probably need
Air?
We probably need some air. Yeah. So this is an older full suspension bike. The newer ones don't have the spring here. They have like a shock. Yeah, but it's in real good condition. We see a lot of bikes on the side of the road that are super rusty, but this one's in real good condition. So we thought we would grab it up. Teddy can have it.
It's flat.
Yeah, I wouldn't ride it right now, kiddo. You're gonna break it even more.
Oh, whoa! It's
Yeah,
real
Yeah.
flat.
You need new tubes.
We gotta pump it up.
Yeah, and
but-
look, this is there's some dry rot here.
Oh yeah, might
So
need new
you might
tires.
need all new
Oh, this bike
tires.
looks like it's just been. Someone bought it brand new and just
And
let
it
it
just
sit
sat
in the
there.
garage. Yeah.
Because look, this looks aluminum.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right,
That
cool.
was a good find.
All right, why don't you kick the
All right.
kickstand on that? Let's move on. I know everyone's probably watching for plants, not for a bike. Just lean it up against the golf cart.
Okay.
Just lean up against the golf cart. All right, first up, we got Cheflera right here.
Cheflera. It's not a proper plant pirate adventure without
Yeah.
adding Cheflera
This
to
one
the
is
party.
super easy to plant from cuttings. In fact, I have some over here that I planted from cuttings. You literally just poke it in the ground and it roots. Let's see, where are they? Here's some right here. Here's some right here. That's all I did with this. I just stuck it right in this pot and it
Pull it out and look at the roots.
rooted.
See
Sure,
if it-
go ahead. Oh, so it's,
Look at that.
yeah, we need to plant that one.
Yeah.
But that
And
one
there's
is,
roots coming out the bottom.
those are super easy to root from cuttings, so.
Next up.
And they get big too if you let them.
Yeah.
All right,
Area.
we got bridal bouquet plumeria. I call this wedding bouquet plumeria all the time, but I think the proper name is bridal bouquet plumeria. This one gets like tons and tons of these little white flowers. This one might be native to Florida. I could be wrong on that, but
I think it is.
I think it might be a native plumeria. It's slightly different than other plumerias. The leaves are smaller, and they're shaped a little differently.
And the stems, like.
And
Yeah.
it's less, it doesn't lose its leaves. If it's in full sun, this one keeps its leaves
It does.
more than the other
Yeah, it does.
varieties.
Yeah, this time of year, in winter here in Florida, most plumeria are done. I think I have some. Here's one right here. This is what it.
blooms on some though.
Some of them do. So this one's still got a couple leaves right here.
It looks cool like that too, I
Yeah, it
guess.
looks all right. I don't know. Plumeria is weird. It's the first signs of life in the spring is flowers. It gets flowers before it even gets leaves. And then a lot of times that's at the end of the season too. It holds on to the flowers longer than the leaves.
We have a pink one still blooming in the
Yep,
backyard.
we do.
Okay, next up, golden Hawaiian pothos.
Those, yes. Oh, that's just beautiful right there. So this one, probably our best chance of getting this to root would be to plant it like this and cover the whole stem
Just
with
bury
dirt.
it.
Yep, just bury it. Let those two leaves stick out, and I bet that would root for us.
We've had the best luck completely burying.
Yeah. All right, what's next? What's
Do you
next?
think this is some sort of ficus, maybe like a dwarf rubber
Yeah.
tree?
Yes. So I almost didn't stop for this because I thought, oh, there's some ficus right there. And I was like, no, that's not ficus. But I noticed that it had the kind of white sappy stuff coming out of it, like ficus does on the. Let's see if I can get it to come out. on the broken part. So I think this is some kind of ficus.
Might be if you pull a leaf off.
See, there's some on
Yeah,
the leaf
see?
right there. Yep. So I think this is some kind of ficus. I've just never, I mean, Teddy and I have done a lot of searching, and we've never come across this one
Looks
before.
like a banyan to me.
It does kind of. Maybe it is banyan. Like a strangler fig.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Strangler fig has white sap.
Which
Yeah.
we have a lot of those.
And we don't want, yeah, we don't need any more strangler fig, that's for sure. Yeah. No.
Autograph plant or Calusia.
Yep, we got Clusia here. This is another one that's easy to root from cuttings. This is a popular privacy hedge in our area. Super cool. It looks like a giant succulent almost.
Yeah.
My biggest complaint about this one is that it's pretty heavy. Each one of these leaves is pretty juicy. And if you have this as a tall privacy hedge, and then the hurricanes come, a lot of times it just falls right over. So.
It did, when we had it at our last house, it bounced back.
Yeah, it does.
In a few
Yeah, it
months.
bounced back pretty quick. You're
That
right.
was kind of a crazy storm too, because I remember it stripped all the leaves off of our
Yeah.
live oaks too.
All right, what's next? What we got next? All right, yeah, this might be the find of the day. I think we got a couple of these, didn't we?
This 3.
This is a
Yeah.
crazy plant. So we've planted this and then been like, we don't have the space for it. Let's move it. And so we'll move it and then a little one will pop up.
Yeah.
Where we, like, and it was only in the ground for like a week or two.
Yeah, this is a vigorous plant. Not only does it
That is
throw
a
off
weird
lots
growth,
of little
though.
pups, not only does it throw off lots of little pups, the agave grows fast too. And
Somebody really took some time into pulling those out of the
I
ground.
guess,
though,
I don't know, or
because-
I don't know. But we'll just stick this right in the ground just like that, and probably even cut it right
I
here.
guess that's
We
why
don't
they
even
pop
need this
so
whole
far
thing.
away. Look at that
Yeah.
long.
Oh, it's got a beautiful like greenish blue color to it.
It's like a minty green.
Yeah, I love them. That might be the plant find of the day. I don't know. We have anything else in there?
Coconuts.
Coconuts, that's right. In fact, coconuts. Why doesn't someone run inside and get my little coconut popper real quick?
Okay.
Teddy's gonna go get my tool. So we grabbed a couple coconuts here. They are split. This one's split open.
So is
oh,
this
this
one.
one is too.
But it might not be, it might still be okay.
I don't know. I bet the water's gone out of these. Bummer.
Well, we can
So
look.
yeah, I have a little tool. Teddy's gonna go get it where I can pop this off real quick. I didn't realize that they were split like that. So the water could have all drained out of them. They are little, but believe it or not, coconuts that size can have water in them. So let's
Two
see.
cups.
Here's my little tool right here. So let's see what we got inside one of these. Yeah, it's split. I don't think there's any water in it.
Wah,
The
wah.
water's all gone. There was water in that for sure, but it broke. and got-
Oh, well, now it can be compost.
This is a great little tool though. Probably spent like $4 for it on Amazon. We've used it a million times, so. All right, so I would say, what's your favorite find of the day, kiddo?
Like,
The bike? All right. I would say definitely either the bike or the blue agave are my favorites.
Yeah.
We didn't really kill it this week, but
It's been cold.
it's been
too.
cold, and we're kind of in the Christmas, holiday season. I'm not sure everyone's even here right now, so
Yeah.
we got some stuff though. So whoa, careful, kiddo. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed the adventure here today. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you, just post down below. If you did enjoy the adventure, maybe you consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's gonna happen, bud?
you're gonna get coal in your stockings.
You're gonna get coal in your stockings. So maybe just consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.